Hey guys, it's Dylan with Mathias Brothers Real Estate at Vanguard Properties. And today I thought this was an appropriate video to bring to you guys with all the horrific fires happening down south and north of us and kind of bringing it full circle back to what happened to Sonoma County last year. I wanted to bring you guys an incentive program that Sonoma Clean Power is putting on right now. And you guys may not know who or what Sonoma Clean Powers is. Ultimately, they're an organization that sole purpose is to reduce the carbon footprint here in Sonoma County. And they've actually teamed up with PG&E and the Bay Area Air Quality District to give this incentive to help people who were impacted by the fires of last year. So on a broad scale, what this program is if you're rebuilding and you build an advanced energy efficient home, Sonoma Clean Powers will give you $7,500. And in addition to that, if you build an all-electric home, Sonoma Clean Powers will give you an additional $5,000. And no matter what one you choose, whether it be an advanced efficient home or all-electric, if you put solar on your roof and also battery backup, Sonoma Clean Power will give you an additional $5,000. So I'm gonna give you an example. If you were to build a all-electric home with solar on your roof and battery backup, Sonoma Clean Power will give you $17,500. Guys, this is an amazing program. It's not gonna last long, and for all you that, if you guys know anyone or have friends or family that were impacted by the fire, get the word out, share this, and let everyone know. This is just an overview. I'll give a link in my Facebook page to the actual website. Go to Sonoma Clean Powers and go to their programs. It's under that, but I'll provide the link. Go check it out to give a very detailed step-by-step process on how to do it all. Go read about it, learn more about it, and tell all your friends and family. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you next time.